Can you hear me?
Hi,
Hi.
actually, I was speaking. Yeah. So, do you have your ID?
Yeah, I do have. This is my ID.
Can you get it closer to the camera? Just give me a second. Hold it like that. I got it also. So, can you brief me about yourself?
Okay. So you are only going to take my interview?
Yeah.
Okay. The because the HR name is also Arsha, so that's why I got confused. I'm sorry.
No. I am the one who called you in the morning.
Okay.
Actually, we'll be scheduling the interviews. That's the reason.
Okay. Okay. So thank you for having me. My name is Arans, and I do have total 5.8 years 8 years experience into Power BI and SQL. I have started my career in 2006 as an analyst. There I have handled multiple projects like sales, insurance, banking, HR, and my last project was my last company is into medical domain. I worked with DB. Was handling the medical project, so they were into the medical project. So the company was based into Netherlands. So and the client of medical equipment, so they are specifically into neuro and sensory. So we were building analytical solution that can gives insight about the performance like licensing of software, risk analysis, security of application. For that, we were using import mode for data source. So and to the data source, we had SQL, Jira, and GitHub. And for the KPI, we were using for the KPI, we were showing high, medium, low performance for the Black Duck and Coverity. So Black Duck and Coverity were the two software there, where whatever their product were. Their performance was coming into to the Black Duck and Coverity. They have different product. Their versions were there, so all the performance was showing into the Black Duck and Coverity. So that performance I have to show into the my dashboard. So for the I was using the trend chart for the weekly wise task, how much is pending, how much is done, how much is to do. So for that I was using the trend chart. And for Black Duck and Coverty performance, I was using the stake bar chart, where the uh, three uh, three category of data was coming there.
So, in total, how many reports have you developed in your career?
I have 10 to 15 reports I have maintained till now. My In my previous organization, I was mainly into the HR domain. I was mainly making the HR reports. And into my last project, if you talk about the dashboard, there were 20 to 30 dashboard were there for different versions and reports.
Okay. Mhm. So, what is the source you have connected to?
SQL, Jira, and GitHub. I have used the import mode for that, and for the GitHub data, I have connected to the direct query mode.
Okay.
Mhm.
So, for SQL, you have connected with import.
Import mode.
Okay. How would you connect to Jira?
Jira through import mode only I have connected through they have connections.
Okay.
So for that you have to put the connections there, so you will connect it to the directly Jira file.
Okay.
Hmm.
So, which one do you feel the better one? Direct query or import?
Import mode, I feel it is a better one, because into import mode your data would be into your desktop. You can see your table, you can make you can see the modeling there. You can perform your dex query. You can create a calculated column, measure, and dex function there. And you we can use that is into offline as well. And it works very fast, because it is into your system. It works very fast. And The only drawback is up to 1 GB data you can utilize here. If the data is up to 1 GB, we can use this. And And direct query is slightly like it's a if you we are using direct query, so mostly we can use it into the like we are directly connecting to the data source. We cannot see the data, we cannot see the data model there, and we just have to drag and drop the visuals according to that. So we cannot perform the DAX
Okay.
function.
Okay. So, how would you rate yourself in SQL?
I would rate myself as 3.5 in SQL. Mostly DDL, DML command I have used for SQL, where I was using the SQL for the data calculation purpose, where the data was coming. So just to see whether the data, whatever data has given, whether it is correct or not.
Okay. So, have you created any materialized views or views, store procedures?
Yeah, I have created nothing like that I have done. Like I have like I'm not excellent into the SQL query, but yeah, if the given the task, I can perform that. Yeah, I have performed some queries there.
Like, okay, what did you? What was your trigger point to create a materialized view or view? Why did you create it?
Like it depend on the company size, where we can create some logic there. Depend on the logic what we have to implement.
We can directly write a query in the Power BI itself, right?
Yeah, we can write a direct query there, but most if we can do the most of the task into the SQL source file only, so that would be easy. That would be more convenient, where like it will not uh, store so much of space into the Power BI. Like if we do the changes into the source file only, so that would be more good.
Okay. Okay. Can you share your screen?
Yeah.
So we have employee table where we have ID, salary. We have an employee table in which we have ID column, salary column, and date column.
Okay. ID
So,
is 1,
so
salary 1 lakh, and date of joining 1st Jan 23.
no, it's not date of joining. It's like a salary accredited date,
Okay, salary date. Okay.
salary date. Okay. In the same way, the employee too also gets the salary, whatever his salary is, 2 lakhs or 3 lakhs. Salary date will be Jan,
Hmm.
right? Okay. And in the second month, February, they'll get the same salaries and all.
Okay.
So I want I want to display the employees who are having salary more than 1 crore in 2023.
Okay. 1 crore in 2023.
Yeah,
Hmm.
all the employees who are having salary more than 1 crore in 2023.
Okay.
Like, the salary is monthly salary, and if an annual salary is more than 1 crore, then I want to say this.
Okay. So this will help.
This is the query.
Yeah. Like where the salary will be 1 crore and into the date, like where in 2023.
So, so let's take an example. If employee one standard salary is 1 lakh. So employee one average salary is say 1. So come up to
Yeah.
for employee one, the annual salary is 12 lakhs.
Uh, just
So
just a minute.
how are you calculating the annual salary?
Just a minute. Your voice was cracking. Can you please repeat it again? Your voice was not. I was not able to hear properly.
Sure.
Yeah.
So how are you calculating the annual salary here?
As annual salary, then we can put the year here. Where in
We
a
don't get it with this. Okay. Mm. So, okay, tell me this condition. Where will you use this group by clause?
uh, group by, where we can put the category, put something into the category, so there we can use a group by clause, like a department or a salary, total salary, that way. So if we have year like 2023 year, so we can put the group by clause there, where all the salaries happened in 2023, so that there we can put the group by clause. Like we can
Okay.
where we can filter the record, like each employee, that way.
Okay.
Mhm.
Mm. Okay. In Power BI, can you can you create a calculated column where like based on the product
Hmm.
price, I just want to categorize them into low, medium, high.
Sorry,
Like example, for example, we have a table where we have product and its price. So I just wanted to create a group for products like price between 10 to 100 is low, and 100 to 500 is medium, and 500 to 1000 is high.
okay,
How do you do that? How would you create a calculated column?
okay. We can add the calculated column there, like go into the modeling, we can tap menu, like new column there.
Mm-hmm.
Where we can apply the dex function, like product category. Just a minute. Just a minute. Yeah, this will help.
Okay. What is the difference between sum and sum max?
If we want to total sales, like total sales amount, so without any filtration, so we'll use sum function. And where we put the expression there, so like we want to calculate two table or some filtration there, so then we'll use this, then we put the sum x there.
Okay. That's it from my side. Okay.
Okay, what would be the job profile there?
It's a complete Power BI, which the source was Oracle.
Mhm.
Yeah,
Okay, and how many rounds of interview will be there?
around 2 to 3.
2 to 3. Okay,
All that technical. Yeah.
all are technical. Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
Okay.
Thank you,
Thank you.
Aparna.